Got unwanted smartphones, laptops, or devices? Let's transform them together. Have old gadgets gathering dust? Broken phones, laptops, or tablets shoved in drawers? You're not alone. Devices discarded too soon pile up as e-waste, harming the environment. But what if those devices could serve a greater purpose and spark impact instead of waste? At ZakiAtrouniTech, we believe in second chances, not just for people, but for gadgets too. By transforming your unused electronics, we refine our repair skills, reduce e-waste, and promote sustainability. Together, we can turn forgotten devices into something extraordinary. Don't let those unwanted devices go to waste. When you donate your old tech, you're contributing to a cycle of innovation, growth, and environmental protection. Every gadget, no matter how broken, counts and becomes part of something bigger. Let's create change together. Ready to make an impact? Drop off your unwanted tech at ZakiAtrouniTech. Let's turn clutter into creativity and waste into opportunity. Together, we'll craft a greener, smarter future, one repaired device at a time. Join our mission. Donate your devices today